Hey, so what is Jungle Scout Amazon FBA Reimbursements? What is the Reimbursements tool by Jungle Scout? In this video, I want to explain to you what this new addition to Jungle Scout is, how it can help you, and how it can benefit your Amazon FBA business. In the description of this video, you're going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout so you can save big. And also, there's a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout, and also a free account of the special tool that Jungle Scout partnered with in order to help you with the reimbursements. I'm going to explain to you what reimbursements are. It's called Seller Investigators, and I have a free account and a special discount for this tool as well. Let's read here. Reclaim your Amazon refunds. You could be owed thousands of dollars from Amazon. Automate your FBA reimbursements today and reclaim your refunds with ease. Now, sometimes Amazon loses your inventory, sometimes it damages your inventory, and many times they give you the money back for that. Many times it's kind of a process to get that money back. It's not super easy. And the company Seller Investigators, which is now in partnership with Jungle Scout by Carbon 6, can help you with that. So in the description, I have the, as I mentioned, link to Seller Investigators, how to use it. I have a tutorial of how to use it with Lee Lurie, one of the co-founders of this product, and also a special deal for those who will use my link to sign up. It's an affiliate link. It means that if you ever do business with Jungle Scout or Seller Investigators, I'm going to get a little commission from that, no extra cost to you. But basically now they're partners. So through Jungle Scout, you can use Seller Investigators. Of course, you can use them just separately. So let's read a little bit more and understand a little bit more. So what are your refunds? If any of your products have been lost or damaged in Amazon's warehouses, Amazon will reimburse you for these losses. The problem, many of these losses are missed, and sellers are responsible for tracking and requesting those refunds manually. Approximately 3% of sellers' revenue could be lost, leaving potentially huge sums of money missing and hurting sellers' bottom line. So imagine you're making $100,000 in sales per year. Okay, and it might be about $3,000 that are getting lost. And if they're just getting lost, it kind of sucks. Well, with the help of Jungle Scout and Seller Investigators, you can get the money back. Now, also, I'm going to tell you there's a video in the description, also up here in the card. It's called 7 Best Reimbursement Services and Software for Amazon Sellers. So you find Seller Investigators there and 6 other options that can help you. For example, currently I'm client of Getida, also a tool for reimbursement, which I'll link for you down in the description with a free account and a special deal. And they're also a company that can help with that. But Jungle Scout is currently in partnership with Carbon 6. And from our community, many people are also using Carbon 6 and Seller Investigators. So let's see how it works. So sign up and link your Amazon account. Create your free account with FBA Reimbursements powered by Carbon 6. Link your Amazon Seller Central account to provide your inbound shipment and order history so we can explore eligible refund opportunities. Again, I have the link down in the description. Of course, you can also sign up for Jungle Scout and do it through Jungle Scout. It's up to you. You kind of get both of the worlds if you use Jungle Scout as well, but also just Seller Investigators as well. So basically you connect your Amazon account and the guys are going to be doing like a free audit for you, just checking, do you have any kind of lost or damaged goods, or did anything happen in your account? So they're just going to do it for free. So I think it's pretty cool. Actually, that's what it says here. Receive a free audit within 48 hours. Your dedicated case manager will review all of your products, orders, returns, and shipments that are eligible for your reimbursement and deliver a free estimate of the money you could recover from Amazon. So let's say, again, you're making $100,000 a year on Amazon in sales. Again, it might be so that you actually have $10,000 of goods that Amazon lost for you, or maybe zero. Okay, so that's what a free audit helps. Also, in the description, as I mentioned, there's the link to the free tool and the best discounts and all the good stuff. And then what happens? The guys say this: we submit your case and you get paid. Your case manager compiles a report that allows you to track the amount of money we recover for each case. Once recovered from Amazon, the refunds will be deposited directly into your FBA account. So I think it's pretty cool because you get money that usually would have been lost. And in this way, you can get it back. So in the description, I have the best discounts for Jungle Scout, free account of Seller Investigators, including the free audit and the best discount. Also, the tool that currently myself I'm using, Getida, also a great tool for reimbursements, is down there with a special deal and a free account. And here on the screen, you're going to see the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials, with over 100 different tutorials, and that video of the 7 best reimbursement tools for Amazon sellers that can potentially help you see what other options are there. I wish you a great day. I hope you have a good life too. Goodbye.